Hey, forest warriors and machine fans, ready to see steel beasts unleashed, built to tame nature's fiercest giants? These monsters don't back down, and neither should you. Brace yourself for the ultimate battle of power, because this journey is not for the faint-hearted. Look at this massive cedar, its roots gripping the earth like a warrior holding its ground. But watch as the saw carves through it. Every slice is a steel symphony against wood. This is nature's power, but it's meeting a challenger that won't back down. It's like a showdown, machine against spruce. This isn't just a cut, it's a conversation of raw strength and resilience. The spruce has stood for decades, but this beastly machine has one purpose: to bring it down with precision and respect.
Nibble of wood. Well, there's some big money in this wood here. There's a highway truckload of logs here, maybe more.
This 59-inch chainsaw roars to life like a dragon breathing fire. It's tearing through wood with relentless intensity, each slice proclaiming dominance over anything in its way. It's a powerful match for nature, and every cut is a testament to man's mastery over machines. Meet the hydraulic tree mulcher, a machine that chews through trees as if they're no more than toothpicks, grinding each piece into mulch in seconds. With raw, relentless power, this beast is made for one purpose: to take on nature's toughest obstacles and reduce them to dust. In a muddy terrain, the Kenworth proves itself a heavyweight contender, its wheels churning up thick earth, defying every inch of resistance. Each rotation flings mud aside, showing that this isn't just a truck, it's a juggernaut designed to tackle anything it meets. Mud as thick as glue and twice as unforgiving. But this truck doesn't hesitate. It powers through, wheels digging deep and pulling forward, never backing down. This journey across the mud pit is a relentless push, proving that brute force can overcome the elements. With one powerful pull, this wood splitter transforms tough timber into ready-to-burn firewood. Its simple, efficient design eliminates wasted time and reduces risk. This isn't just about splitting wood. It's about using power wisely and achieving precise results every time. These steep mountain roads aren't for amateurs. Watch as this truck navigates hairpin turns with nerves of steel, each movement a delicate balance of control and courage. It's not just a drive, it's a showcase of skill that only a true logging pro can pull off. With its long, powerful arm, the WA450LL reaches out and effortlessly lifts massive logs, placing them with precision. When the forest needs heavy lifting, this machine steps up. It's the ultimate workhorse, demonstrating strength and reliability every time. This isn't just a sawmill, it's the Maho Minimax, capable of turning raw logs into beautiful planks in no time. Portable and precise, it's designed for those who see woodwork as an art form, offering both convenience and a flawless cut every single time. With 8 wheels gliding gracefully over rugged terrain, the Ponce Wiesent navigates the forest like it belongs. Its cabin is a sanctuary for the operator, and with every maneuver, it proves that it's part machine, part wild creature, ready for any challenge. This isn't just a saw, it's the Lumber Pro HD36, a precision tool for the modern logger. Each cut slices cleanly through wood, revealing the beauty within. In the hands of a skilled operator, this machine transforms timber into art, one flawless cut at a time. Behold the Caterpillar D2, a true legend from the golden age of machinery, revving up to pull down the toughest stumps. With each powerful tug, it brings nature to its knees, showing that even the mightiest roots are no match for this iconic workhorse. This isn't just a machine, it's history in action. Watch as the powerful steel MS-361 chainsaw tackles this mature oak, carving through with ease. But here's the real question. Why didn't they use the 12-ton winch on the Valtra N101 tractor to pull it down the opposite way? It's a mystery worth pondering. What do you think? Was it a choice of skill or pure strategy? The John Deere 1270G and H425 work in perfect sync, a testament to engineering precision. Strength meets finesse in this duo as they navigate the forest and turn logging into an art form. This is machinery designed to blend power with skill, creating a seamless partnership. Hovering above the trees, the helicopter swoops down like a hawk, lifting logs with ease. This isn't just about logging, it's a testament to human ingenuity. When the ground is too rough, technology takes to the skies, proving there's no terrain too tough to tame. Thank you for joining us in the world of monster machines. Like and subscribe to stay tuned for more raw power and untamed challenges in the forest. Get ready for the next thrilling adventure, because this is just the beginning.